Oh, hello. What's going on? I can't find what I'm looking for. Where is it? Where is it? What? Oh, here it is. Laneify It's me. Welcome. I'm gonna call this segment Story Time. Long ago, once there was a garbage truck driver. He was a very sad man.
Hi guys, it's me, your friendly neighborhood garbage truck driver.
One day, this garbage truck driver was out on his standard run, delivering garbage to poor families.
Hello friends. Have some empty Pepsi cans and V8 and some used water bottles and a broken cell phone and a calculator.
Thank you, garbage truck driver. Now I'll get back to reading my economics book so I can argue for Marxism.
Any day, I'm always here to bring trash to poor people like you.
Didn't I already dismiss you? Get out of here, squinty eyes. What do I have to say? Take it easy, Japanesey? It all went downhill from there. Many years later, he joined the Animal Liberation Front and died in the line of fire, fighting to save our feline friends from the bonds of slavery. Thank you for joining me for story time. I had a lot of fun delivering this true story to all of you.